In the previous lecture, we saw how to pass data from controller to a view using ViewBag. Now, there were certain limitations of ViewBag, and to resolve those, we'll be now making use of strongly typed models to pass data from controller to views. In order to do that, the first thing that we need to do is create a directory where we'll be usually keeping our models. In ASP.NET Core MVC, the convention is to store those models inside a directory called models. So here I've created a models directory, and inside that you can see I've created a class file called course.cs. Now this is having two attributes, title and published on. Next, what we are doing over here in homecontroller.cs, we have referenced the models over here. You can see skillbakery.models, and then here in our index controller we can say var course equals new course, and inside that we can have our title, let's say Skill Bakery courses, and here we can have another attribute published on, and this could be a date time, so I'll say datetime.now, and let's save this. So here we have our model created, and once that is done, we can pass this model to our view as a parameter. So now view is going to render attributes from this particular model, and to make use of this, what we'll do over here in our index.cs HTML file, where we have included the layout, just above it we'll be including model and then the name of the model, skillbakery.models.course. Once that's done, we can make use of the model. So here where we were making use of the title, we'll now make use of model, and you can see when I'm pressing a dot over here, it is giving me the attributes of that model. So here I will say title, and next I can also include date, just like I've included title. So published on dot to short date string. So here you can see that it is recognizing the type of the attribute or data type. So that's the intelligence that we get when we make use of models in our Razor templates. And let's save this now and run it to see it in action. And here you can see Skill Bakery courses, and then the date time is also shown over here. So that's how we make use of strongly typed models to pass data from controller to views in ASP.NET Core MVC.